Hi, doctor. My name is ZHAO CHENBO, and my metric number is 227220. So now I'm going to demonstrate Lab5. So this is a configuration for the ENSP. We connect switch 1 and switch 2 with port 0010 and 009. For the part 1, it's a initialization, shutting down the ports and the enable STP. So first I will enter the system view and shut down the unused interfaces on S1 to avoid interference. Then I set the STP mode to standard STP. And we simulate for S1, S2, they are the same command. So I shut down the redundant interfaces and enable STP mode. So this is a command. And for the part two, controlling root bridge election, this is for the switch one and switch two also scripted. So I configured S1 as the primary root and S2 as a secondary root. Later, I will manually change the prototypes so that switch 2 become the new root bridge, so that a smaller priority value means a high priority. For the switch one, we stop the root primary, and for the switch two, we stop the root secondary. So for the part three, it's controlling root port election. For the switch two script, port priority, we are going to change the root port on switch one, and I modified the port priorities on switch two by setting G0010 to a lower priority of 16, and it will force switch one to select it as a root port. For the switch two, we use the command stp port priority 32, and for switch two, we change to stp port priority 16. And for the switch one script, the pass cost after configure switch two, I also control the path by changing the cost. I increased the cost of G0010 to 200000. This makes the G0010 path more attractive and turning it into the road port. And the command for switch one is STP cost 2000. Hmm. So for the part two verification, to verify to verify the results, I use the display STP brief to check the port rules. We can see if a port is in the root forwarding state or the alt discarding state. The command is display STP brief, and this is a result of the displaying for switch one, and this is a command for switch two. When we finish one step, we need to display the configuration. Hmm. This is all the command. So that's all for my Lab 5. Thank you for listening.